Good morning. Today I've got no idea what I'm doing. I've got the bike until 4:30, but I've completed Chiang Rai, so we'll see what's out there. So yeah, I didn't properly explain what I was doing. So basically, I've got 6 hours until I need to give the bike back, and I've done everything I think I can do around here without like specific tours. So I'm basically just going to drive into the mountains. I think there's a waterfall out there. And then yeah, I have no idea. I'm just going to work out whatever I can do and go from there. But first of all, I need a toasty. I need to go 7-Eleven, grab a toasty, and yeah, get some food in me. Honestly, this place is just my saving grace. I love Asian food, but every now and again, ham and cheese toasty, just don't beat it. Honestly, life changer. Never had. It's just different. 7-Eleven toasty. Proper hot. Yeah, a toasty. Strawberry milkshake, bottle of water, I think like £1.50, £1.40. It was yeah, worth it. Well, that was demolished in like 30 seconds. I've got the water left, and I've got 25 minutes till I'm there and just have no idea what to do. But yeah, I need fuel on the way because I don't think a bar of petrol is going to get me anywhere far, to be honest. But there's usually petrol stations everywhere. So we're all filled up. We have juice. 20 minutes. So yeah, I'll be alright. Never coming back. I'm gonna shut up. Enjoy the view. The camera definitely doesn't do this justice, but it's just rice paddies. Well, not now, but it's just like rice paddies and mountains and everything you could just like, I don't know, imagine being out here. Somewhere in these mountains is where we got to get to. Well, you can't really see the mountains, I think. Up there. Somewhere in there is destination. They just come across a random temple. Definitely does not do it justice on camera, but yeah. You just go through a village and then all of a sudden you're just in the middle of a forest. Oh, it's bamboo. Everyone's just so nice. There's I don't know if they are army, but they're dressed in army gear. And like they just smile, wave, point you on your way, and then come around the corner The one thing I haven't done all the time is get bug spray on me, but literally just as I landed, thousands, well, no, you probably can see them, fucking hell, hundreds of bugs everywhere. If they come for me now, they're stupid, because I'm sprayed up. And to anyone who actually knows me, no, I haven't put sun cream on. I haven't put it on once this holiday. But nice little river. I need to get my shit together and then we walk that way. I'll be honest, I did not exactly know there was going to be a 1.4k walk. $1.4k uphill. I did not know that. But look, I could have driven. There's a road. Why can't I drive it? That's just stupid. It's cool. They've made loads of look. They made like loads of bridges out of bamboo. Well, it's not exactly a complete bridge, but platforms. But back when we were driving past, there's loads of bridges just made out of bamboo, and there were people making them. But this is cool. What's the time? Time is 11:15. So well, I've probably got like an hour and a bit to be able to do this, which I think is fine. Get what, 2.5k, an hour and a bit. Yeah, sounds about right. I'll grab some food. I'll go to that village. There's a village the other side, and then yeah. Waterfall area. No food allowed in the waterfall. I got drinks, so I hope that's alright. 1.4k. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I wish I brought my camera. This is unreal. Look at that little trail. Little rapids. The water's so clear as well. It's crazy. Well, 2 minutes in, and yeah, look at this. Beware of snakes. Great. Okay. If they're actually that green, it's going to be quite hard to see them. Because everything is green. Let me ask ChatGPT. What snakes are there? Oh, I've got no service naturally. So if I get bitten, then hopefully they're not dangerous because I'm fucked. But if I stay on the brown bit, I'll be good. Well, this is the first challenge. I didn't expect it to be easy, but I thought we were going off-roading. Oh shit. Woo. But I guarantee we're going down, and I guarantee we just have to go back up again at some point. So, oh shit. Look at the bamboo. And those massive trees, leaves again, I saw last time. Well, they have to be one of the tallest trees I've ever seen. Massive. I can't even see the top. Crazy. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. All the bamboo. I saw a thing about people doing bamboo cooking out here, where they like get a piece of the bamboo and heat it up, and like you can use it as like a frying pan or something. I don't know. Might I don't know. Oh, fucking shit myself as a stick. 1 kilometre. I've only done 400 meters. Oh lord. But there's a resting area in 250. That is what I like. Oh, don't know what this resting area will be like, but if I got a mango smoothie, delicious. I'm falling in, I know it. Made it. It's just cool. I don't know where the closest thing to England would be to get this, unless it is Asia. But loads and loads and loads of bamboo. Welcome to the resting area. I don't know why I thought there'd be a place to get a smoothie. Oh, just a place to get a smoothie around here. Yeah. Nice little spot. But now I've got to make it up there. Don't get wrong. People at the top look old, but they are out of breath, and I'm not looking forward to it. Enjoy the view one more time. 600 meters, which means, oh, something stung me. Which means I made it over halfway, which is good. But then now there's a steep bit again. Great. Sorry, cab. Well, if you fall down there, you're dead. Look at those leaves. They're massive. "400 meters. Let's go." Saudi cab. Saudi cab.
อีกนิดนึงถือแล้ว
Oh, holy shit. This is like near vertical. It weren't too bad, to be fair. Yeah. Oh god, sweaty. Sweaty, sweaty, sweaty. Usually these bits where like these massive leaves are, are freezing because they just don't get sun. Like when you're driving your bike and you go in like shade that just never gets the sun. Well, obviously shade never, you know what I'm saying, like areas that never get the sun are always in shade. Yeah, like the temperature just drops massively. Ooh. See, we're going down there and up there. Just make a bridge. I'm already this height. Oh, I'm going down this. So slippy. Oh. Little water. 200 meters, 200 meters. About time. Wait. Do I go that way or do I go that way? I'm gonna go that way. Because this looks like the path most people have gone. I can see it. It's through the trees. It's, oh my god, it's massive. Holy shit. Pretty big. Sawadee-ka. Look at that. Crazy. Crazy. Oh, I'm gonna fall before I even make it down. Oh shit. Love how people have done it in like their summer dresses as well there. Oh wow. It's crazy. Oh. She's gone in. Although this is so slippy. Oh my god. I mean, I can understand why. Oh. I don't know which way is best to go. I'm going to go right because then I'm further away from the edge. Ah. This is definitely not going to like look bad on camera at all, as if I'm just being a bitch. But oh, this is a big one. Oh shit. Massive. There you go. Insane. I'm going down. Yes, silent. It's fucking disgusting. It's gonna be worth it though. Woo. See, this is how trusting I am in Thailand. I've left all my stuff at the top. Car keys. Anything I've got is this camera and the phone. And my sunglasses. And myself. How do I wanna go over there. But yeah, I've left everything at the top, so they could, but the keys are up there as well for the bike. Ah, getting dirty. Hands. Look at that. Power that's coming off is insane. Wow, look at this. Disgusting. move my hands slightly. Oh. I didn't see this way before. Ah, I'm gonna die. Oh wait. It's a bit smaller than I thought it would be. Fucking Spider-Man over here. Right, that's the bad bit done. Woo. Up this way, up we go. Everything's still there. Well, that was cool. I think it took me like half hour or something to, no, 45. It took me half an hour to get here and I've been here for about 15. So, yeah, look at that cool tree. Pretty sick. Yeah, so I'm gonna, I don't know which way to go back actually. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna get back to the motorbike. I think there's a village over the other side that I can, I've got no service. I think there's a village over the other side that I can get to. Yeah, I'm gonna go village the other side, try find some food, and then yeah, go from there. But alright, I'm going the way I think. If I was to go down that last time instead of going up when I had that fork, I think this is the way it would have taken me. But fingers crossed. It looks like a walked path, but that's ooh. That's a steep drop, so yeah. I'll see you back at the bike. Just like that. We're back at the car park. That was well easy coming back down. So easy. I need to respray this bug spray because everything is around. And then I'm gonna head to that village over the other side. And yeah, get some food. What else? I don't really know. I think now I'm just going to go for like a little drive around, just go to that village, get some, there'll be a food restaurant there in someone's house or something. And then see what the time is, because it's like 11:30, I want to say. So time's starting to go. I think it's going to take about an hour to get back to the bike place, which is, oh, I've got a bite on my neck. So yeah, I need to be back before. Let's go. Look at that. Oh, wow. I can see why no one comes out here. It is, well, I mean, it's cool. I don't actually know why people don't come out here, but it is in the middle of nowhere. Let's come out to that. I mean, there's a gravestone there, which is not a good start. It's gorgeous. That's so nice. Look at that. Oh, look at this place. Like up there, you've got all the villages, and views out miles. Just look at that. Just crazy. Don't know, but whatever's being cooked down there smells good, so I might go back, grab food on the way back. this is the village. Oh, they got a shop. They got a petrol station. I'll be honest, it might not be the, it might be quite a poor area, but sorry. That's a school. Yeah, let's turn around. I'm not... Quick look over here. It's just insane. Oh, there's chickens. Sorry, chickens. Right, so I'm going to go to this next bit of the village, which I think is that bit over there on the mountain. And then, yeah, then I need to find some food because it's like already an hour and a bit to get back. So I haven't got too much longer. It's like nearly 1 o'clock, so by the time I have some food, I go from there. Yeah, I need to get back for 4, half 4. But it's just insane. I feel like I'm in like, I feel like I'm more in Nepal than Thailand. Like, you know, mountain villages towards the Himalayas. I mean, it's just no, I don't think they'd have roads like this, to be honest. It is just like crazy. I really hope it does it justice. Oh, they're burning. It's the start of the burning season. Yeah, look at that. They're all burning their crops for the season. Sawadee-krap. Can I buy a drink? Drink? Yeah?
Water เหรอ?
Anything. Coke?
อ๋อ น้ำโค้ก น้ำโค้กกี่บาทอ่ะ
Yeah.
20 บาทค่ะ
Too bad.
เอาให้เดียวสิเอาให้สิพี่ค่ะ
Khun-krap.
ค่ะ
Khun-krap. Coolest. Look at the doggy. cup. So I don't think there's much to go out here because I'm looking at the map and like it is just single paths and there's no like villages like that. So I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna grab some food. Yeah, I'm gonna find a place to go. I've got that place that I went past on the way that smelled really good and like barbecue at the front. But I also want to show you like, there's not really show you that over that way. They're all burning their crops, so it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like ridiculously smoky. So I'm gonna turn around, see if there's a place to grab some food. Worst case is like one in like 20 minutes, but yeah, because I need to then get back. Because it's 1:30. I then got an hour and a half drive back to Chiang Rai to drop the bike off. So I need to be leaving by. I got to leave in like an hour. So yeah. There you go. So that's exactly what I mean with they're burning all their crops. So it's literally just like, it's just smoke. You can see the mountains on the side, but then in the middle where the smoke is, there's absolutely nothing. It's just white. Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. Do you have any food to eat? Sorry. I'm sorry. What can I order for food? Anything like
have fried rice and noodle.
Okay. Do you have like chicken or anything?
Chicken, have
Yeah.
chicken.
Can I have like a chicken fried rice? Is that okay? Yeah.
Oh, today don't have chicken.
Okay. Any other pork? Yeah. Pork's fine.
Fried like pork fried like.
Yeah.
And noodle have noodle no.
Just rice is okay. Yeah.
而且ข้าวผัดหมูถูกไหม
Look what I've got. Soup. Rice. Pork. You name it. That's so good. When? Insane. My name is Dylan. Dylan. You live here? Close? In like the village. Okay, just up there. Yeah.
I got you in the high.
I don't,
America.
no, England.
ประเทศอังกฤษ
อังกฤษ England.
England.
Yeah,
Yeah. Oxford. Yeah.
Cafe กะลาเลย
Oxford. You may have heard of the university before.
แต่ภาษาเหนือเนี่ยเราจะดูว่า
I don't know. Yeah.
คุณเคยได้ยินมหาวิทยาลัยนี้ไหมเนี่ยเดี๋ยวก็โจยมาแล้ว
But I'm not that smart.
ก็หายถึงเงินยาวลงมาอันนี้เล่นอยู่แล้ว
Have a look at the magic potions.
อันนี้มันเข้าใจละ有好几句啦都爱嘛公鸟如果要没带了也里面了
I don't know what these are. That's chili, that's chili, that's sugar. So I think I'm just going to leave it as that.
พวกมัน里面应该里面
Yeah. Looks so good.
คือว่าเรื่องนี้ได้ฉลิม
Demolished.
Best
fried rice I've had here. Ever. That's insane. Excuse me. Tao Rai Cap?
อ๋อ
40 บาท
And then...
nó ở khoang phản ra cả ở chỗ là khai giải mà là lo shop này ăn cái ăn toa
Is that enough? Or... 64. Oh, keep change. You okay?
miền dưới này
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Cab Khun Cab.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Cool. Cab Khun Cab.
Thank you ขอบคุณค่ะ
Oh, that's insane.
nó thu nhiều mẹ giúp mặt nó
So, that fried rice, the soup always comes with it. An extra Coke because I'm feeling fat. And they don't do, well, in the villages they just don't do sugar-free drinks, which is ridiculous. 60 baht. 60 baht, which is £1.50. But yeah, £1.50 for, honestly, the best fried rice I've had in 3 weeks here. So yeah, I've got an hour and a bit. I've got an hour and a bit to go back to Chiang Rai. So I'm just gonna end it here, and because it's just gonna be me driving for the rest of it. But if you're ever in the area, that shack is the place to go. But yeah, nice friendly people and very good rice. Very, very good rice. But yeah, anyway, that's it. I'll leave you with that view, and I'll see you whenever.